There was a time when India stood on railway platform watching the world lead in technology. Countries like Germany, France and Japan built the most advanced train systems on the planet, while India was still importing critical railway technologies. Hello friends, I am Alok Oak and you're watching Yugaswar. Friends, nobody imagined that one day these same countries would buy advanced train technologies from India itself. But quietly, without noise, India changed the story. Today, the world is exporting the brain of train. Yes, you heard that right. Brain of train. Advanced propulsion system to countries like Germany, France, Italy, Switzerland, Poland, and even the United States. This is not just another export. This is the export of propulsion system which are not ordinary machine parts. They control the speed, power, braking energy efficiency. This is not just another export because propulsion system are not ordinary machine parts. They control the speed, power, braking energy efficiency and intelligence of modern trains. In simple words, a train is the body. In simple words, if a train is the body, the propulsion system is the brain and muscle combined. And for decades, only a few advanced nations had mastered this technology. So, how did India reach there? The answer lies in years of silent transformation. Indian engineers, Indian companies, and Indian factories slowly started building world class capabilities. Companies like Medha Servo Drives began developing complete propulsion solutions inside India. Factories like Alstom's Savli factory in Gujarat became the global export hubs. And something remarkable happened. The world started noticing because India was offering world class quality, advanced engineering, massive scale, and competitive pricing. Altogether, today India is no longer just assembling trains. India is designing the system that powers them. That means the world is no longer looking at India only as a cheap manufacturing destination. It is looking at India as a technology partner, and maybe that is the biggest shift of all. This is not just about trains. This is about India proving that it can compete with the best engineering nations in the world, quietly, confidently, and at global scale. The question is no longer can India build advanced technology? The world already knows the answer. Now the real question is how far India go from here. If you have enjoyed this story and want more powerful videos on India's rise, innovation, infrastructure and global transformation, please like, share and subscribe to the channel and watch the full video till the end because the biggest surprise are yet to come. Jai Hind.